what is, what ain't, what should be. It's Fifi. I got a new package today, so we're gonna be doing unboxing. Yay! I have the Insta360 One R Ultimate Kit because we have the double lens. We have the 1" and the 360. So we're gonna unbox this today because you know I couldn't wait. It literally got delivered today. And I said, let me make an unboxing video because I need to open this immediately. So you guys know I have my handy dandy rainbow knife. Let's get it. And yes, if you see a shiny mark on my head, it's because I have an acne patch on my head because this is real life out here. That's what we're doing on these videos. We're keeping it real. I'm gonna be very gentle with this because, you know, expensive. Look at the packaging for this. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna get this first box. Paperwork. Okay, cloth to clean, to wipe the lenses off. Definitely gonna need that. Of course, stickers. Okay, yes, I knew I was getting this, the little case for it. And we have the 2 batteries. I hear that the batteries literally only last like an hour, so I'm gonna need way more batteries than this, and they have bigger ones than these little ones. And I'm also gonna need the portable charger for these. We also got the selfie stick. I think you twist and pull. Not certain. Oh no, you just pull. Yes, this is the short one, but it goes invisible, and I want to see that because I feel like that's gonna be really cool. We have this baby, which will make it me be able to use basically the same accessories that the GoPro uses because of this clips into things. Then we have, this is a protector for the 360 dual lens. Cover them up. I'm dropping stuff already. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. First look at the little camera. It has the 1" mod on. I can't wait to record with this. Oh my goodness. Now this is not the official size because you still have to account for the battery, but still this is incredibly tiny. Oh my goodness, I could put this in my pocket, like a girl size pocket. And I have to say that because we know by now girl size pockets are this big, men pockets is like this big. Like, we have things to carry too, come on. So yes, look at that, incredibly small. We have the last mod. This is the 360 attachment. So it will be attached by the side piece. Boom, boom. Oh my goodness, so tiny. Look how shiny. probably the shiniest it will ever be, considering this is an interchangeable camera. So I'm thinking fingerprints is going to be all over it, but they gave us a cloth so we can clean it. It's going to be good. Also with this, it has a touchscreen. What is it considered? A viewer? A touchscreen. I'm going to just say a touchscreen. And because this is interchangeable, it can be a back cam viewer or a front cam viewer. And you know I'm using front cam because I need to see if I'm in focus and if everything looking right. It makes a little crunch. We love the crunch. So this is the actual size of this thing. Let me see if I can do this safely. Wow. Ooh, it makes a sound. So yes, I'm gonna set this baby up, record some footage, get some images, and bruh. Did it just take a picture of me? What did you just do? Oh, it went on sleep mode. So yeah, make sure you visit the like button, the feedback box is down below, and most importantly, visit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And with all that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces. Alrighty. Test. Walking all the way to my door. Testing out the audio sound. Alright. Question is, can the camera see me? If the camera can see me, that's crazy because I literally have it pointing down. Alright. Ending recording.
Play this record as frequently as possible.